Chapter 4. Working with Paint 3D. Insight points. In this chapter, you will learn starting Paint 3D, components of Paint 3D window, working with 2D shapes tool, working with 3D shapes tool, creating doodle, using brushes tool, erasing a drawing, saving a drawing, opening a project. Hi, Lavanya. Why are you confused? Hi, Priyam. I have made a beautiful rectangle in Paint, but I want to add a design on its back also. So, what, dear? There is nothing to be angry about. It's as easy for you to say because you cannot feel anger. But I can. It just makes me feel that my drawing is incomplete. Why don't you make the drawing in Paint 3D? It is a drawing and painting program, but it gives a three-dimension look to your drawing, just like the solid shapes you have studied in mathematics: cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Wow, it is really an amazing software. We have studied about Paint for drawing various shapes. Microsoft has developed an application to draw 3D shapes or solid objects. The earlier versions of Windows had a pre-installed drawing application called Paint, is still widely used for creating 2D shapes. With Windows 10, Microsoft introduced a 3D version of drawing app, Paint 3D. This Paint 3D is used to draw shapes like cubes, cuboids, cylinders, cones, spheres and donuts. You can rotate and turn these shapes to see different views of the 3D shape. हमने पहले पेंट का उपयोग विभिन्न आकृतियां बनाने के लिए किया है। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने एक ऐसा एप्लीकेशन विकसित किया है जिससे 3D आकृतियां या ठोस वस्तुएं बनाई जा सकती हैं। पुराने विंडोज संस्करणों में एक पहले से इंस्टॉल किया गया ड्राइंग एप्लीकेशन पेंट था, जो अभी भी 2D आकृतियां बनाने के लिए व्यापक रूप से उपयोग किया जाता है। विंडोज 10 के साथ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने एक नया 3D ड्राइंग एप्लीकेशन पेंट 3D पेश किया। इसका उपयोग घन क्यूब, क्यूबॉइड, सिलेंडर, कोन, स्फीयर और डोनट्स जैसी आकृतियां बनाने के लिए किया जाता है। आप इन आकृतियों को घुमा और मोड़ सकते हैं ताकि 3D आकृति के विभिन्न दृश्य देख सकें। Starting Paint 3D. To open Paint 3D, follow the steps given below. 1. Click on the Start button. 2. Click on Paint 3D. 3. The Paint 3D welcome screen appears. The welcome screen shows two options, New and Open. Click on the New option to start a new drawing. 4. You will get the Paint 3D window. Click on the New button. Welcome, you will get the main screen. Components of Paint 3D window. Various components of Paint 3D window are as follows. 3D shapes tool, 2D shapes tool, stickers, text, undo button, redo button, brushes tool, menu button, effects tool, canvas tool, 3D library, canvas, color palette, title bar. The top left corner of the title bar displays the name of the app and the name of your drawing. The top right corner of the title bar has the three control buttons: minimize, maximize, restore and close. टाइटल बार के ऊपरी बाएं कोने में ऐप और आपके ड्राइंग का नाम प्रदर्शित होता है। टाइटल बार के दाहिने कोने में तीन नियंत्रण बटन होते हैं: मिनिमाइज, मैक्सिमाइज, रिस्टोर और क्लोज। मेन्यू बटन। द मेन्यू बटन appears on the top left corner. Click on the menu button. It will show options such as New, Open, Save, print and insert. Click back to get to the Paint 3D window. मेनू बटन शीर्ष बाएं कोने में दिखाई देता है। इस बटन पर क्लिक करने से विकल्प जैसे कि न्यू, ओपन, सेव, प्रिंट और इंसर्ट दिखते हैं। पेंट 3D विंडो पर वापस जाने के लिए बैक पर क्लिक करें। ब्रशेस टूल। It displays different types of brushes in the Brushes panel. Selecting the Brushes tool opens a panel on the right side of the Paint 3D window. This panel shows the options for selecting different types of brushes and color palette for selecting different colors for drawing. यह ब्रशेज पैनल में विभिन्न प्रकार के ब्रश प्रदर्शित करता है। ब्रशेस टूल का चयन करने पर पेंट 3D विंडो के दाईं और एक पैनल खुलता है जो विभिन्न प्रकार के ब्रश और रंग पैलेट दिखाता है। The Paint 3D has 10 inbuilt brush shapes. Any of the brush option can be selected by clicking on that option. Below the brush shapes is the thickness slider. It helps in increasing or decreasing the thickness of the outline of the shape. The opacity slider helps in making the shape opaque or transparent or partially both. You can enter the value for thickness and opacity in the boxes or click and drag their sliders towards right or left to change the values. Paint 3D में 10 इनबिल्ट ब्रश आकार होते हैं। आप इनमें से किसी भी ब्रश विकल्प को चुन सकते हैं। थिकनेस स्लाइडर आकृति की आउटलाइन की मोटाई बढ़ाने या घटाने में मदद करता है। ओपेसिटी स्लाइडर से आकृति को अपारदर्शी, ओपेक या पारदर्शी, ट्रांसपेरेंट किया जा सकता है। आप इन मानों को बॉक्स में दर्ज कर सकते हैं या स्लाइडर को दाईं या बाईं ओर खींचकर मानों को बदल सकते हैं। कलर पैलेट। The color palette shows different color options. It also gives you option to use more colors than shown using Add Color button. The various effects like matte, gloss, polished metal, etc. can be added using Choose a Material drop-down list above the color palette. रंग पैलेट विभिन्न रंग विकल्प प्रदर्शित करता है। आप Add Color बटन का उपयोग करके और रंग जोड़ सकते हैं। रंग पैलेट के ऊपर चूज अ मटेरियल ड्रॉप डाउन सूची से मैट, ग्लॉस, पॉलिश्ड मेटल आदि जैसे प्रभाव जोड़े जा सकते हैं। 2D Shapes tool. The 2D Shapes tool opens the 2D Shapes palette on the right side of the Paint 3D window in place of the Brushes option. A curve, line or 2D shape can be drawn by selecting the option, clicking and dragging on the canvas. यह उपकरण पेंट 3D विंडो के दाईं और 2D आकृतियों का पैनल खोलता है। आप एक वक्र, कर्व, रेखा, लाइन या 2D आकृति चुन सकते हैं और कैनवास पर क्लिक करके उसे खींच सकते हैं। 3D Shapes tool. The 3D Shapes tool opens the 3D Shapes palette on the right side of the Paint 3D window. A 3D doodle, 3D object or 3D model can be drawn by selecting the option, clicking and dragging on the canvas. 3D Shapes tool Paint 3D विंडो के दाईं और 3D आकृतियों का पैनल खोलता है। 3D डूडल, 3D ऑब्जेक्ट या 3D मॉडल को चुनकर और कैनवास पर क्लिक करके खींचा जा सकता है। Stickers tool. This option is used to add different stickers. Text tool. This tool is used to add text. Effects tool. This button is used to apply various built-in special effects to your drawing. Canvas tool. This button is used to change the size of the canvas. 3D library tool. You can use this tool to add 3D objects. Undo button. If you want to reverse your last actions, use undo button or Ctrl+Z. Redo button. It is used to reverse the effect of the undo button, or you can also use Ctrl+Y. Canvas. This is the main working area where you create your drawing in Paint 3D. Sidebar right pane. It shows the options related to the selected tool. Names toggle tool. It is an option for hiding showing the tool names. Options tool. Various tools are available on the Options tool. Let us learn about them. It shows options like Select, Magic Select, Crop, 3D View and Zoom slider. Select. It is used to select an image by dragging the mouse diagonally around the image. Magic Select. It is used to crop the background of an image and convert it into 3D model. Crop. It is used to remove unwanted parts of an image. 3D View. It shows the 3D view of the canvas. Slider. It decreases the size of the canvas by sliding the bar. Working with 2D Shapes tool. The 2D shapes can be drawn in Paint 3D in the same way as are drawn in Paint. To draw a 2D shape, follow these steps. 1. Click on the 2D Shapes button. 2. The 2D Shapes pane appears on the right. It has options such as line and curve and 2D shapes. 3. From the 2D Shapes palette, select the shape you want to draw. 4. Click and drag the pointer on the canvas to draw the shape. 5. When you release the left mouse button, the right pane shows the options Fill Color, Line Type Color, Thickness, and Opacity. A. Click on Fill and select the color to fill it in 2D shapes. B. Click on Line Type and select line color and color type of 2D shapes. C. Click on Thickness to change the thickness of the line. D. Click on Opacity to change the opacity of the 2D shape. 6. Click on the Commit button. Working with 3D Shapes tool. The 3D shapes are those which have length, breadth, width and height. To draw a 3D shape, follow these steps. 1. Click on the 3D Shapes tool. 2. From the 3D Shapes palette, select the shape from 3D object or 3D model you want to draw. Here, we select 3D object, cone. 3. Click and drag the pointer on the canvas to draw the shape. Creating doodle. A doodle may consist of random lines and shapes linked together. It can be drawn to create freehand objects. When drawn, these objects look closer to a real-life object. 2 3D doodle tools are available in Paint 3D. Sharp Edge Doodle. This tool adds depth to a flat object. Soft Edge Doodle. This tool makes a 3D object by inflating a 2D object. To draw a 3D doodle, follow these steps. 1. Click on the 3D Shapes option. 2. Select the Sharp Edge Doodle or Soft Edge Doodle from the 3D Shapes panel. Here, we select Soft Edge Doodle. 3. Click anywhere on the canvas to define a starting point of the doodle. 4. Now, press the left mouse button and move the mouse on the canvas area. To finish drawing the doodle, make sure to connect the lines to the starting point. 5. Add color of your choice to the doodle using the Edit Color option. Using Brushes tool. To use a brush, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Brushes option. 2. Select Oil Brush from the Brushes panel. 3. You can increase the size of the brush by dragging the thickness slider. 4. Press and hold down the left button of the mouse and drag the mouse on the canvas to draw different lines. Erasing a drawing. The eraser tool is used to erase any part of a drawing or a complete drawing. To erase a drawing, follow these steps. 1. Click on the Brushes tool. 2. Now, select the eraser tool from the Brushes panel. 3. Change the size of the eraser by dragging the thickness slider. 4. A square will appear in the drawing area. Hold down the left mouse button and move it to the area you want to erase. Saving a drawing. To save your drawing, Follow these steps. 1. Click on the menu button and select the Save As option. 2. Choose the Paint 3D project option. 3. A dialog box opens up. Enter the file name. 4. Click on the Save in Paint 3D button. Opening a project. To open a saved project, follow these steps. 1. Click on the menu button and select the Open option. 2. The Open panel will display a list of projects saved in Paint 3D. Select the desired project from the saved projects list.